It's important to enjoy eggs, and eggs can be cooked in different ways. So in today's recipe, I'm going to do omelette, and with my omelette, I'm going to use my 2 eggs, 2 potatoes, and 1 courgette. Have you ever tried this omelette with courgette, guys? Let's wait and see. Then, of course, tomato and onion. So guys, sit back and let's enjoy. So now we shred the courgette, the potato, and also we cut into small pieces the tomato and the onions. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And our eggs are still there. So let's do that, guys. Let's cook our omelette. So first we oil our pan, then we put our shredded potato and our courgette and also our onion. We cook them for a few minutes. Doing so well. So we go in with our spices. That is not bitter hot. Another one. So for today we are going to do only 2 spices. It's so far perfect. So nice. So let's continue. In a different bowl, mix beat the egg in tomatoes like this. You can also spice it up. Add salt and spice it up. So let's add just a little salt. Let's spice it up. Then we stir it. Yeah, like that, guys. Our courgette, tomatoes and onion, they are perfectly cooked. So now we go in with our egg. So nice. So we cover and cook until it's well cooked. Cooking perfectly. You have to check whether it's not sticking. Make sure that it doesn't stick. So you have to give it time so that it cooks on the top. So nice. So guys, we want to flip it. Cook the other time and I dealt with it. Yes, nice. So you cover with a plate and flip it. I'll do that off camera because I'm just holding my camera and so we have already flipped. Look at that, guys. So we are going to cook the other side and it well cooked. So nice, so nice, so nice. So you tuck it. Give it. So our end result, so nice, so nice, so nice. So nice, so nice. Way, guys. This is my perfect omelette, well cooked. Let's cut and see. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So nice. So nice, so very nice. So nice. You don't need to go to KFC for all this. Just make it from your home. Guys, until next time, allow us to enjoy our breakfast. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Like, share, and also subscribe and comment.